Most people believe vaccines are enough, but the truth is they are not. A vaccine is not magic. It doesn't create health. It doesn't give you strength. It only trains your body. Think of it like a soldier. He is trained to recognize the enemy. But what if the soldier is weak? Training won't help. That's why two people can take the same vaccine. One stays healthy. The other still gets sick. The answer is not in the vaccine. The answer is inside your body, inside your immune system. Science shows three main factors. First, gut health. 70% of your immune system is in your gut. If the gut is weak, your immunity is weak. It's like planting seeds in bad soil. The vaccine is the seed. Your gut is the soil. Second, chronic inflammation. Sugar, seed oils, processed food, they fuel inflammation. And when inflammation is high, immunity shuts down. It's like fighting a war while your house is burning. Third, stress and sleep. High cortisol weakens your defenses. Poor sleep makes it worse. You've seen it yourself. When you are tired and stressed, you get sick more easily. That's not an accident. That's biology. A 2013 NIH study proved this. People with healthy guts and better diets had 30% stronger vaccine responses. That's a huge difference. So the truth is simple. Vaccines are only as strong as the body that receives them. Now the big question, how do you strengthen the body? How do you build real immunity? The answer comes from two places: modern science and timeless prophetic wisdom. 1400 years ago, Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, and the al-Bayt, peace be upon them, taught simple remedies. Today, science confirms them. Here is a complete protocol, not random tips. A clear daily plan. Morning, on an empty stomach, 1 teaspoon of black seed oil, 5 to 7 dates. Midday, 1 tablespoon of honey in warm water. Evening with dinner, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Bonus anytime. Talbeenah barley porridge, recommended by Prophet Muhammad. Peace and blessings be upon him, for healing and strength. These are not just foods, they are medicine. Black seed boosts T cells. It raises antibody levels. Studies show an increase of up to 55%. Honey heals the gut. It restores the microbiome. Hospitals still use honey today to heal wounds. Dates fight oxidative stress. Clinical studies show a 25% reduction in free radical damage. They give minerals and energy to your body. Olive oil lowers inflammation. Populations on the Mediterranean diet have 30% lower risk of chronic disease. 1 tablespoon a day can lower CRP, your body's inflammation marker. Talbeenah strengthens gut immunity. Barley is rich in beta-glucans. They activate immune cells and support healthy bacteria. This is not just history. This is science catching up with timeless wisdom. Now let's talk about results. 7 days give you energy. Your digestion feels lighter. Your sleep becomes deeper. Your first shield rises. 21 days build stronger immunity. Inflammation drops. Your gut feels balanced. Your body starts responding better. Even the vaccines. 40 days complete the course. Your immune system becomes resilient. Not just stronger, but long-term protection. This is a complete defense system. Think of it like training a soldier. In the first week, he gains strength. In 3 weeks, he builds skill. In 40 days, he becomes a warrior. And science confirms every step. Black seed boosts antibodies. Honey heals the gut. Dates reduce oxidative stress. Olive oil lowers inflammation. Barley activates gut immunity. So let's summarize. Vaccines are a shield, but you also need a sword. That sword is your immunity. 7 days for quick strength. 21 days for solid foundation. 40 days for lasting protection. Now imagine your journey. Day 1, you begin with black seed and dates. Day 7, your energy rises. Day 21, your immunity is stronger. Day 40, you are resilient, protected, and new. The best part? This plan is simple. No expensive supplements. No complicated treatments. Just natural remedies, proven by time and by science. So here's your next step. Start the protocol. Test it for 7 days. If you feel the difference, continue for 21. And if you want lasting results, commit to the full 40 days. If you want us to create the next 21-day protocol for diabetes, heart disease, or gut health, comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. The next video could be the natural cure you've been searching for. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not medical advice. Always consult your doctor before starting any treatment.